Good day everyone. This is a tutorial about setting up your own file server using Linux Ubuntu server version 12.04.5. On our previous tutorial, we have just installed our own Ubuntu server. Let's get started. Before we turn on our virtual machine, we will configure our network. Click our Ubuntu virtual machine. Click on Network Adapter. Set it as bridged, then click OK. Click our Windows 7 virtual machine. Click on Network Adapter. Set it as bridged, then click OK. Click again the Ubuntu virtual machine, then click Power on this virtual machine. For the Windows 7 installation tutorial, please refer to the link in the description below. On the startup prompt, just press Enter. On the Ubuntu server login, type in your username account. Then type in your password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then press Enter. So now we will add another admin user called root. Type sudo passwd root. Then type your password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then confirm password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that we need to restart our server. Just type sudo reboot, then press Enter. We will just fast forward the restart process. Now to test our newly created admin user root. On the Ubuntu server login, type in root, then type in password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we will verify our network hardware. Type in activecampaign, press Enter. We have 3 existing network adapters. We will just configure ETH0. Type nano space /etc/network/interfaces. Press Enter. We will type additional entries to our configuration. Just follow our tutorial. Reminder, please do not modify anything that is already in the entry. Our entries are case sensitive and do not add any space if you are not required to. As you can see, our server is set to DHCP. We will change it to static. After you are finished encoding, click Ctrl-O, then press Enter. Click Ctrl-X to exit the text editor. Type in clear to clear the screen. Now we will restart our network interface. Typing /etc/it.d/networking space restart. After the restart, we'll check our IP address. Type in ifconfig, press Enter. As you can see, we have configured our IP address on our Ubuntu server. Type in clear to clear the screen. Next we will add users for our file server. Type in user add --m username. We will add 5 users, namely manager, finance, HR, IT, and public. Next we will set password for each users. Type in passwd. Username encoded on each username we've created earlier. We will just use our default password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will set each directory full access. Type in mod777/home/username encoded on each username we've created earlier. After that, let's verify. Type in ls with -l /home, press enter. Next we will configure our Samba file server configuration file by using a text editor. Type in nano space /etc /samba /smb.conf. Press enter. So now we will add some parameters on our file server configuration. Click the page down, and then as you can see on the screen, edit the following parameters. Click the page down, and then as you can see on the screen, edit the following. After encoding and editing, to save our file, click Ctrl-O, then press Enter. To exit, click Ctrl-X. Then type test part. This is to check and test our parameters if it is configured properly. Next we will set password for our Samba file server in every directory we've created earlier. Type in SMB_SWD --A username. We will just use our default password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next we will turn on our Windows 7 virtual machine. We will just fast forward the startup process. So now let's configure the IP address of our Windows 7 client PC. For the Windows 7 installation tutorial, please refer to the link in the description below. Let's continue. Right-click the network icon on the lower right, then click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click Local Area Connection, then click Properties. Click TCP/IP-v4, then click Properties. Then click Use the following IP address. On our IP address, type in 192.168.1.50, then click Tab. The subnet mask will automatically appear. On our gateway, type in 192.168.1.1, then click OK. Click Close. Click Exit. Right-click Computer, click Properties. Click Change Settings. Click Change. Change the workgroup name into My Company, and also the computer name. Click OK. Click OK. Click Close. Click Restart now. We will just fast forward the restart process. On your taskbar, click the folder icon Libraries. Click Network. Click the Network Discovery prompt. Then click Turn On. Then choose Yes, turn on Network Discovery, and then wait for your Ubuntu server to appear together with your Windows 7 client. Double-click your Ubuntu server. Then double-click one folder. A prompt will appear. Type in your username and your default password. then click OK. Manager can open all the users under its restrictions, but users cannot open its folder. Next we will test another user. Click Start menu, then log off your client PC. On your taskbar, click the folder icon Libraries. Click Network, click the Network Discovery prompt. Double-click your Ubuntu server, then double-click one folder. A prompt will appear. Type in your username and your default password. Then click OK. Users created can open their own folder, but they cannot open the folder of other users based on restrictions. Next we will test another user. Click Start menu, then log off your client PC. On your taskbar, click the folder icon Libraries. Click Network, click the Network Discovery prompt. Double-click your Ubuntu server, then double-click one folder. A prompt will appear. Type in your username and your default password. Then click OK. Users created can open their own folder, but they cannot open the folder of other users based on restrictions. Congratulations, you have created your own Ubuntu file server. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.